I'm a second year student in Symbiosis Law School, Pune. I'm pursuing BBA LLB honors. So, in my first internship, the lawyer under whom I worked, he had a few IPR cases related to Copyright Act. He gave me a little drafting work. I got a keen interest in that, and I thought like if I start doing diploma, I'll get a head start while they teach me in college. And so I thought of pursuing a diploma from law school so that I get a head start when they actually teach us in college. So this course gave me a very practical idea of how IPR contracts are actually drafted, what is copyright, what is patent. It gave me a very practical approach. Like we get to draft a lot of contracts, we get to draft things, so we get practical side of it more than theoretical, and it's actually very useful because this thing we cannot actually learn in college studies, where we are actually taught only theoretical part of IPR and every other subject. Here we got the practical approach to it. So uh, I used to contact with my copyright teacher regularly over WhatsApp, and even in the live classes, they used to respond to each of my query very properly and very promptly within a day maximum. So whatever doubt I had, I used to either got it clear in the live classes or through WhatsApp or email. So they were very helpful. All the faculties were very helpful in solving all my queries regarding any problem. So whatever, even small grammatical mistakes were pointed out so that I could improve my language, especially drafting language. And if there was any theoretical problem or conceptual problem, it was clearly pointed out to us. And I had 3 sessions with ma'am, which was personal session where she gave me detailed feedback, and one or two feedback were given in the live classes where I could get more clarity on the assignments which I made. So it helped me improve my drafting language and solved all my small errors which I had in drafting and conceptual errors. So it was a regular feedback which I used to receive in a time to time basis. The main thing which I gained is my drafting skills have improved a lot when I compare it to my other peers. I am able to draft a lot of contractual clauses and all. I have started to draft, and I can work under pressure. I could do more work like every week since we are made to do some work or other. So I devote my time to IPR, and I got to know that I actually have interest in IPR, and I got good skills in drafting and a good insight of how it actually works in practical life. I really think like law is a very vast subject, and everyone has some of the other keen interests like cyber law. There are a lot of laws which are evolving, so everyone has interest. So they should try to exploit it through certificate course or diploma so that they'll come to know if they really have that interest or not. Because college may or may not provide all the subjects in an efficient manner. So if we have a keen interest in any subject, we should at least give it a try through certificate courses or diploma so that we actually come to know where we are at, and we get an extra knowledge and extra edge in that particular subject, which helps us to procure internships also. So it's better that we find our interest in very beginning year so that we can join a diploma certificate course in the beginning. Uh, since I'm a second year student, I was not able to use it as such, and this particular semester I was planning to intern with an IPR lawyer, but due to this lockdown, it got postponed. I think I will be able to use this knowledge in my further internship, but as of now, I have not used it. And our IPR course is from this semester, so I think it would be really helpful for my fifth semester. I really like Lossico's diploma course because it is very extensive and it covers almost all the area of the IPR. So it is good that we learn everything in advance and we get detailed insights of all the subjects. So I would suggest all my friends to actually take this and take this course or any other course which they are interested in, because it gives us a deep insight knowledge of the subject. And all the faculties and all the concerned staff are very helpful, and they have helped me throughout the process till now.